Hello students, this is video number 20 regarding physics lab manual 9th standard for physics subject. In your lab manual you will find two pages. One is plain page, other one is ruled page or lining page. To the plain page you will use only pencil. Use pencil only. Okay. And to the lining side you will use only blue pen. Okay. Now what things that you have to note down to the plain page? First is aim of the experiment. It is given there. Everything is given. I will show you in your lab manual also. First is aim, second one is material required, third one is observation table, fourth one is formula used, any formula if it is used over there that you can note down. Fifth one, any calculation work. Sixth, result. To the lining page, again aim, same you have to repeat. Second, material required. Third one, procedure, and fourth one, precautions. Only these things must be on the lining page, nothing else. Okay. This is about the first experiment. 4.1 you will cut, you will write 1. Aim, LP. L is for lining, P is for plane. Material required, lining, plane. Procedure, only lining. Then observation table to the plane side, precaution to the lining side. Okay, in this way you will note down this. And now syllabus of the first term. Chapter 2, motion in one dimension. Chapter 3, laws of motion. Chapter 4, pressure in fluids and atmospheric pressure. Chapter 5, upthrust in fluids, Archimedes principle and flotation. Chapter 8, propagation of sound waves. So earlier we were doing heat energy, now we will not do that. We will stop that chapter. Now we will proceed with this propagation of sound waves. Thank you.